Hello, everyone. 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to say I agree in Chinese. When you want to agree to what a speaker has said, the frequently used short phrases in Chinese would be 是,是的,是啊,对,那是,没错, etc. Today, however, we are going to learn upgraded version to say I agree in Chinese. Let us learn the 12 ways of saying I agree in Chinese. 你说的太对了。你说的太对了。你说的太对了。You are so right. 就是嘛。就是嘛。就是嘛。Exactly. How true. Right. 这点你说的很好。这点你说的很好。这点你说的很好。That is a great point. 那当然了。那当然啦。那当然了。Of course, that's for sure. 你说到点子上了。你说到点子上了。你说到点子上了。You have hit the nail on the head. 你说的再好不过了。你说的再好不过了。你说的再好不过了。I couldn't have put it better myself. 我也是这么认为的。我也是这么认为的。我也是这么认为的。That is what I thought. I thought so too. 可不是嘛。可不是嘛。可不是嘛。No, totally. It means no, I totally agree with you. 那还用说。那还用说。那还用说。That goes without saying. 这话有理。这话有理。这话有理。This makes sense. 谁说不是呢？谁说不是呢？谁说不是呢？ Well said. I can't agree with you more. 我就是这个意思。我就是这个意思。我就是这个意思。That's what I meant. That is precisely what I wanted to say. Let us learn how to use some of those not so common phrases, such as 你说到点子上。谁说不是呢？我就是这个意思。The first one we are looking at is 你说到点子上。你本就不应该参加唱歌比赛，你又不会唱歌，你只会跳舞。你本就不应该参加唱歌比赛，你又不会唱歌，你只会跳舞。你本就不应该参加唱歌比赛，你又不会唱歌，你只会跳舞。You shouldn't have participated in the singing competition. You can't sing. You can only dance. 你说到点子上了。你说到点子上了。你说到点子上了。You have hit the nail on the head. Number 2. 谁说不是呢？他一个月赚那么多，只给我100块生活费，太离谱了。他一个月赚那么多，只给我100块生活费，太离谱了。他一个月赚那么多，只给我100块生活费，太离谱了。He earns so much a month and only gives me 100 for living expenses. Really ridiculous. 谁说不是呢？谁说不是呢？谁说不是呢？ I can't agree with you more. Well said. Number 3. 我就是这个意思。你是说我乱花你的钱吗？你是说我乱花你的钱吗？你是说我乱花你的钱吗？ Are you saying I'm splurging your money? 我就是这个意思。我就是这个意思。我就是这个意思。That is precisely what I meant. Now, let us learn some phrases to use when you don't totally agree with the speaker. Number 1. 你说的虽然没错，不过小明不是好人，你别和他做朋友。小明不是好人，你别和他做朋友。小明不是好人，你别和他做朋友。小明 is not a good person. Don't be friends with him. 你说的虽然没错，不过他也有很多优点，你是不知道的。你说的虽然没错，不过他也有很多优点，你是不知道的。你说的虽然没错，不过他也有很多优点，你是不知道的。Although you are right, but he does have many good points you are not aware of. Number 2. 话虽如此，可是这东西太贵了，你不应该买。这东西太贵了，你不应该买。这东西太贵了，你不应该买。This thing is too expensive. You should not buy it. 话虽如此，可是我实在太喜欢。话虽如此，可是我实在太喜欢。话虽如此，可是我实在太喜欢。That being said, but I really liked it. Number 3. 你说的不是没道理，可是你搭地铁去比较便宜。你搭地铁去比较便宜。你搭地铁去比较便宜。It is cheaper to take the subway. 你说的不是没道理，可是我赶时间。你说的不是没道理，可是我赶时间。你说的不是没道理，可是我赶时间。What you said is not unreasonable, but I am in a hurry. Number 4. 我相信你刚说的话，但是你现在辞职的话是很难找到新工作的。你现在辞职的话是很难找到新工作的。你现在辞职的话是很难找到新工作的。If you resign now, it will be difficult for you to find a new job. 我相信你刚说的话，但是我实在受不了了。我相信你刚说的话，但是我实在受不了了。我相信你刚说的话，但是我实在受不了了。I believe what you just said, but I can't take it anymore. Number 5，话是没错，万一现在不适合买房，因为贷款利息太高了。现在不适合买房，因为贷款利息太高了。现在不适合买房，因为贷款利息太高了。It is not suitable to buy house now because the loan interest is too high. 话是没错，万一房价不跌反升怎么办？话是没错，万一房价不跌反升怎么办？话是没错，万一房价不跌反升怎么办？ You are right, but what if the housing price does not fall but rises? That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。